Hello friends, this is Keval Shah here from Affleo Consultants. As you all may know that Government of India gives benefits to exporter of goods in order to encourage and motivate them. But what about exporter of services from India? The export of services in India for financial year 1920 stood at $214.14 billion, whereas the export of goods for the same period stood at $314.31 billion. So it can be seen that export of services is equally important to bring in foreign currency into the country. Therefore, to give the much awaited importance to the service export sector, the Government of India on 1st April 2015 launched the Service Export from India scheme, also known as the SEIS scheme, in order to encourage and maximize export of notified services from India. In this video, we will look at what exactly is SEIS scheme, who all are eligible to claim, how are the benefits given, its application process, and finally how can we at Affleo Consultants can help you claim the SEIS benefits from the government. The SEIS scheme is monitored by the Director General of Foreign Trade DGFT under the Ministry of Commerce. It has replaced the erstwhile Served from India scheme, that is the SFIS scheme. Benefits under the SEIS scheme are given only to notified services that are mentioned under Appendix 3D. It currently covers 9 broad categories of services that are eligible, ranging from business services, communication services to tourism and transport related services. Benefits under the SEIS scheme are given in the range of 3% to 7% of the net foreign exchange earned. So let's discuss about the eligibility criteria for SEIS scheme. This is a very important section. There are a total of 4 criteria which will decide whether your firm is eligible for SEIS scheme or not. The first criteria is to make sure that the service which you are exporting falls under Appendix 3D. As already discussed, Appendix 3D covers 9 broad categories of services which are divided into further subcategories. Point number 2 is to make sure that the service which you are exporting is rendered in the manner of Mode 1 and Mode 2. So there are 4 modes in which a service can be exported, and out of which only Mode 1, that is the cross-border trade, and Mode 2, that is the consumption abroad, are eligible. Point number 3 is to make sure that the entity has an active import-export code, that is the IEC code. The fourth and the final criteria is of the minimum net foreign exchange earnings. So, for a private limited company, LLP or a partnership company, the minimum net foreign exchange earnings required is 15,000 US dollars, and whereas for an individual or proprietorship firm, it is only 10,000 US dollars. So, if an entity satisfies all the 4 criteria, then it can be said that it is eligible for the SEIS benefits. So, the next question in your mind would be, how are the benefits under SEIS scheme actually given? Incentives under SEIS scheme are given in the form of freely transferable duty credit scrips, or also known as SEIS licenses. These SEIS scrips or licenses can be used for the waiver of import customs duties. And if the service exporter does not intend to import anything, then he can sell it in the open market and encash it. So let's discuss about the procedure and documents required for SEIS scheme application. Application to claim rewards under the SEIS scheme has to be made electronically to the jurisdictional DGFT office with the help of a digital signature. Only one application can be made for each financial year. Some of the important documents required for SEIS scheme application are Import-Export Code, RCMC, that is the Registration cum Membership Certificate with SCPC, invoices and FIRCs, a Chartered Accountant certificate certifying the net foreign exchange earnings. We at Affleo Consultants are a team of DGFT experts having a rich experience of 10 plus years in the domain. We have an exposure of at least 5 clients in each service sector, be it business services, engineering services, travel or transport related services, having in totality almost 100 plus SEIS clients across the country. Our hands-on experience in filing SEIS claims for different service sector will make the SEIS application procedure much easier for you. We have been successful in maintaining a track record of disposing 90% of SEIS claims in less than 45 days of their online application. SEIS scheme can be claimed backdated for last 3 years as well. So if you have already exported your services and yet not claimed the benefit, or if you have already applied and stuck in the application procedure, then please fill the form below and get in touch with us now. We can help you with the sale of SEIS licenses and scripts as well. Thank you.